Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. In the competitive world of digital marketing, standing out requires mastery of on-page and semantic SEO. Let's dive into how these can elevate your website. On-page SEO is all about optimizing individual page of the website to rank higher. This include compelling titles, accurate meta descriptions, and most importantly, high quality content. Semantic SEO goes a step further. It's about understanding user content, user intent, and the contextual meaning behind such queries, not just the keywords. To implement semantic SEO, focus on natural language in your content. We will discuss about natural language processing later, but for now, we need to cover related topics and subtopics that provide comprehensive answers to user queries. And we will also use ChatGPT for this purpose. Let's understand why is semantic search important. Although there are countless variables at play, the principles of semantic search, why it's needed, and how its influence are easy to understand. Users often don't use the same language as the desired content. Even worse, we sometimes don't even know how to articulate a search query properly. Let's say that you heard an unfamiliar song on the radio. You liked it and started Googling random lyrics until you finally found it. For example, you have heard what song starts with wake up, and now you have the answer, the System of Down. So now Google understand the intent of the user. This keyword or this phrase is not in the title, not in the description, even not in the content. So what does this mean? It means Google is understanding the user intent. To add another layer of complexity, compare what you type into Google with what you say to Siri, Alexa, or the Google Assistant. Keyword now become conversations. There are just so many ways to express the same idea, and search engines need to deal with all of them. They need to be able to match the content in their index with your search query based on the meaning of the both. However, challenging this may sound already, it's just the beginning. Many searches are unintentionally ambiguous. Around 40% of English words are polymers. They have two or more meanings. It's arguably the most significant challenge that semantic search is trying to solve. For example, the keyword Python has 239K monthly searches in the US alone. If I were to ever search for Python, I would most likely be referring to the programming language Python. But anyone outside of the tech industry would likely expect the actual snake or the legendary British comedy trope. Let's check the images. Look at here. The answer is programming and the snake. The problem here is that words rarely have a definite meaning without context. On top of this, you have countless nouns that can also be adjectives, verbs, or both. The need of understand lexical hierarchy and entity relationships. So, what is the entity? Let's try this one. We will discuss this Google NLP in detail, but for now, it's only a demo. So, I have a keyword from consumer website. Okay. Now, okay, let's try this. Click on the demo, remove this, and copy the content. Make sure you have copied the content only, not the Google Ads. Okay. For now, I am pasting this. Now click on the analyze. That's truly impressive. Here's what Google had to do: understand this query. Now, look at this. These are the entities are used in this content. So you can paste your competitor content here and click on analyze and get the entities to understand the Google sentiment analysis. What is the user intent behind this keyword or this content? Why this content is ranking? Because it is covering these entities. So just copy the entities and use in your content. Exactly the same thing we're doing phrase and neuron writer. This one. Both are using the Google NLP behind the sentiment analysis. So you can do this for free by using this web page, or I will discuss in detail about Google NLP. I have created already this NLP analyzer. You can use this to analyze the content and include the entries into your content. So now let's let's discuss Google. Now that I have searched, for example, who's the partner of the actor who played the role Obi-Wan? So Google understand the question and back with the answer of the actor's name. What is this? Google now that partner means wife, girlfriend, husband, boyfriend, spouse. What is mean? Understand that Obi-Wan appeared in multiple movies and series played by different actors. So you can make the connection and display search results in a way that reflects the ambiguity of Obi-Wan. I can't even imagine what kind of search results I would get if I did that search in 2015 or 10. It means that Google is now understanding the user search intent just because of the NLP. It is known as a semantic SEO. So it's all about the high quality content. We have to use semantic SEO and NLP entities in our content. So we cannot rephrase the competitor content because Google now understands the meanings. So that's it. Thank you.